1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And believed to be an original mile car also, 9,131 showing on the odometer right now. It was actually a gift given from a husband to a wife. Unfortunately, her health conditions prohibited her from driving it much, and hence the low miles. And now it is available to purchase. Let's take a look at the front chrome and bright work on this, 425 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, automatic transmission, front wheel drive vehicle, and you can see chrome and bright work, look good up front. I do want to point out filler panels, not bad shape either. Little repairs been done over on the passenger side one, but I wanted to show you those because if you're familiar with these cars, you know those filler panels age and get brittle, discolored, what have you. Here's where you can see there's been a little bit of a repair on that one right there, but overall shows well, as does the paint and the interior in this car too. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Cadillac wheel covers, white wall radial tires, and then look up and down the passenger side of this car. Those panels are long and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, we have the partial vinyl top. That is in incredible shape also. And look at this interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at it. Interior, absolutely beautiful in this car. Tilt and telescopic wheel, AM, FM stereo. You can see a copy of the window sticker, or a picture of the window sticker, I should say, in with the still pics, as well as owner's manual. There's a showroom brochure, I noticed, miscellaneous receipts. All of that will go along with this car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the rear filler panels, nice shape. Key Cadillac, that's where it was sold new. You'll be able to see that on the window sticker also. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these big 70s Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it's online or right off our showroom floor. As we get a look up and down the driver's side again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Hey, it's a 1978. It may have an imperfection here or there, but overall, it shows very well. Good look at the door panels. This one does have power locks, power mirrors, also power seat, both sides, and look at this plush pillow top seat in that Biarritz package. Headliner, that looks good also, and you'll be able to see tons of pictures of the interior and with the still pics also. So there's original miles, 9,131 according to previous ownership. Fuel gauge up here working, as you can see that, a little tough on the camera. Of course, the climate control, AM, FM stereo, did have that working. There would also be a power antenna. Let's click that up. Power antenna working.
For tickets and more information, visit MankatoSymphony.org.
Top of the dash. Looks good. I don't want to get out of this seat. It is comfortable. Hornworks seat is comfortable. Wow. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty quiet, kind of what you'd expect. All right, let me get this hood popped a second. We'll take a peek at that engine bay. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. See if I can get this one-handed here quick. All right, hood liner. And there it is. Look at how clean and tidy this engine bay is. Really lack of much corrosion, grease, grime. I guess kind of what you'd expect. AC has been converted from the R12 134A. That's been done. Cruise control works. Previous owner said they just spent some dollars having that serviced. Newer battery I noticed also. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Low mile car. Have some fun with this. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1978 Cadillac Eldorado. Beiges and browns and wood grain. Very, very 1978. Throwing you back. Well, the song on the radio is not quite 1978. But the radio is working as it should. Our turn signal's also working as they should. Very, very luxurious ride from this Cadillac, as you would expect. And I feel like I'm sitting on a leather couch at home, so comfortable. The wipers work in this car. The blower motor works. The AC blows cold. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane, right where it should. Excellent power steering, and it's an automatic on the column, so easy for anybody to drive. Our fuel gauge, way up on top of the dash, is reading full. Speedometer working, showing we're doing 51 miles an hour currently, which feels about right. We have a split bench seat in this car. Power adjustable in multiple directions. That iconic hood ornament from this era of Cadillac. Way out on the front of the hood. Brakes are working as they should. The condition of this car is kind of astonishing. The dash is really great. The headliner is great. Amazingly low miles if you look at the odometer. No wonder it looks so nice. Corners very luxuriously, as you would expect from a Cadillac. Take a long road trip with this car. Keep it as a collector item. Take it to shows. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.